Right friends, we're on to part 10 of sorting out this little lawn, and this 1 minute episode is going to be featuring the Pro Cook scales. I'm not promoting anything here, by the way, it's just the gear that's in the van. Now what we're doing, because this is a small lawn, around about just over 50 odd square meters from memory, is that we're going to be overseeding this with a little hand seeder, this little fella here, very handy for feed and seed, and we're going to measure out 40 grams per square meter for this lawn through this little device. So we're going to stick that on there, turn it on and zero it, and then we're going to fill it up with the appropriate amount of seed, and then we're going to seed the lawn. And that, my friends, is part 10 done.